Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect wallet in Metamask. Let's begin. So, first things first, just make sure you're successfully logged into your Metamask wallet. You can do this on your on your mobile phones for the app, and you can also do this on your computer. So, when do we disconnect our wallet? Well, the most common would be when you are connected to, a trade site or, where you would want to, buy pre-sale tokens, or if there's a smart contract that you need to be connected with for you to be part of, launch or whitelist. So many things that, you need to connect your wallet. So I'll show you how it's done. So there's an option here in MetaMask. So just click at the left portion of the page and then click on browser. So browser on your MetaMask pretty much work just like when you have a URL or similar when you have like a browser basically. And I will use PancakeSwap as an example. So this is where I buy some of my tokens and just need to go there. Now, if you want to learn more about PancakeSwap and cryptocurrency in general, please subscribe to our channel and you would be able to learn more from our video tutorials. And I can assure you can earn more from cryptocurrency. So once you're there, I will just disconnect just for tutorial purposes. Most of the time when, for example, if this is PancakeSwap, if you're not connected, you won't be able to see how much amount that you have in your wallet. And then if you connect, just tap on that one at the upper right. So I choose MetaMask. Then this is your indicator wherein you would be able to see that your wallet is connected. So like in this case, you would be able to, put BNB. For instance, I will just put 10 BNB for me to buy, 592 cake. And you know that you're already connected is when there's an option already for disconnect. So if you need to disconnect, just hit on that button. On that part. So let me do it one more time. So if I need to disconnect, you see this one right here at the most bottom option. So that's disconnect, and that's how you disconnect your wallet. So that's it. Easy, right? If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.